Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I know I'm uploading this video after a long time. Well, my exams was going on and I was on a break. So now I am back. So today we are going to make a very interesting thing. And as you know, this movie, The Joker, it got Oscar, and we are going to make something related to that. So we are going to make a Joker face mask. So let's DIY this. So if you liked the video, then don't forget to click on the like button, share it with your friends, and any thoughts, any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get instant notifications. So see you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.